Are you looking for a flexible online job you can do from home, even if you have no experience or degree? I got you. In this video, I'll show you a legitimate website where you can earn money by listening to audio and typing what you hear. It's beginner-friendly, remote, and perfect for anyone looking for an extra income stream. Whether you are a student, a stay-home parent, or a working professional looking for an extra income, this video is for you. I'll walk you through how it works, how to apply, and share tips to help you get approved and increase your earnings. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe for more real jobs like this. So what kind of a job is this? It's called transcription. Basically, your job is to listen to short audio and video clips and you type out what you hear. You'll be helping companies, creators, and organizations turn spoken content into written text, which is used for captioning, subtitles, and documentation. If you have good listening skills, decent typing speed, and attention to details, this job will be a great way to earn online. You don't need a fancy setup to get started, just a laptop or your phone, a stable internet connection, and basic English comprehension. No degree, no special qualification, just your time and focus. The best part is you can work from anywhere in the world and choose your own hours. Whether you want to work full-time or part-time for extra cash, it's completely up to you. So let's talk about the skills and tools you'll need. First, you'll need to be able to type accurately. This is very important for all transcription jobs because the role is about listening to audios and typing what you hear. Second, you need good listening skills. Third, you need a good command of English. As mentioned, you don't need a degree or previous experience to start, but if you've done transcription before, you'll have an advantage. In terms of tools, you're going to need a stable internet connection, a laptop or your phone, and headphones to help you catch every word clearly. You'll also need a PayPal account to receive payment. And I must also mention that this video is similar to a video I did 4 days ago. It was removed by YouTube due to some violations, so if you watched that video, you don't have to watch this one. So once you log in onto the website, the first thing you're going to see is the essential skills, training, and tools that you're going to need. So according to the website, when you first start, you work on honing crucial skills such as accurate typing, proficient listening, and gaining familiarity with legal terminologies. This tells you that they are not looking for experts, they are looking for people who are willing to learn on the job. So whether you are a beginner or an expert, you can still apply for this role. This company hires both general transcriptionists and also legal transcriptionists, but at the moment they are only hiring legal transcriptionist. So you're supposed to take a legal transcriptionist training program that can boost your credibility. Working as a legal transcriptionist with this company requires you to be over 18 years, have a computer with latest Chrome browser, a stable internet connection, and a PayPal account for payment. Now here are the steps that you are going to take to apply for the role and what you can expect to happen when you apply. According to the company, they set high standards for quality of their transcription services and boast a 98% plus accuracy rates. Here are the steps to become part of their transcription legal team. The first step is to sign up for a transcription account. To do that, you're going to need to add your name, your country, and an email address, then create a password to sign up. The company often accepts applicants from all countries, so you can apply directly from your country. Next, you're going to have to pass a general transcription exam. This exam helps the company test your listening and typing accuracy before approving your account. Listen carefully, take your time, and make sure that your punctuation and grammar are accurate. If you fail this exam, there is no way you are going to get this job. You need to be very, very keen during the exam. After you pass this general exam, you can now then download the legal style guide and study it closely to prepare for the legal exam. But don't worry, you don't need any legal background because your task is simply to transcribe what is being said in the audio file accurately, not to come up with the file yourself. After passing the legal exam, you have to go through a short probation period where your work quality is reviewed to check if it meets their client's standards. According to the company, during the probation period, you are paid the rates of a general transcriptionist. After completing the probation successfully, Legal transcriptionists earn higher rates according to the company's websites. This ranges between $36 to $40 per audio hour, depending on your accuracy and the project type. As a member of the legal transcription team, you'll work on audio clips that range from a few minutes to an hour long. There's no strict typing requirements, but accuracy is key. Accuracy determines how much work you get, how much you get paid, and more. The more precise and efficient you are, the more you can earn overall. This company allows you to work remotely and you choose your own schedule, giving you the flexibility to work as much or as little as you want. Now, the company I've been talking about is called TranscribeMe. This is one of the most reputable transcription platform in the industry. They have very competitive rates and are known for being very beginner friendly. They are not always open for application. So right now they are only hiring legal transcriptionists. So this is a great opportunity for anyone looking for remote work. You can go check out. To apply for the role, you'll have to go to Google, type TranscribeMe, or you can write TranscribeMe jobs and open their official website. Once there, your dashboard should look like you see on your screen right now. So become a freelancer and start earning anywhere. So this is their website. Join the TranscribeMe professional freelancer community and start working on projects from anywhere, anytime. To apply for the role of a general transcriptionist, usually you're supposed to click on Start Freelancing, but that's not the role that they are hiring for now. They are only hiring legal transcriptionists. So you're supposed to click here, Interested in becoming a legal transcriptionist, learn more. So you're going to click there. Clicking Start Freelancing takes you to the general transcriptionist page, and most of the time you are going to apply, you are going to be put on a wait list. So do not click there. So fill in your details, confirm your email, and then take the transcription test. If you pass, you'll move on to the legal exam, and once you're approved, you can start working on real projects, first on probation, then once the probation period is over, you're going to be hired for the legal transcription role, which pays more than the general transcriptionist. If you've done transcription before, this is going to be like the normal transcription test you've done with other companies. So just go read the guidelines and work on the project keenly. For beginners or anyone who have never done a transcription test and passed, it is first important you understand how to do transcription so that you can understand what is expected of you. You can go to YouTube search and find tutorials on how to do transcription test, but I also have a video on my channel. I'm going to link that video here. It is a step-by-step tutorial on the basics of transcription, so you should watch it before you attempt these tests. And if you like to make money through chatting, watch this video here. I share 10 different websites that hires people to chat. Keep in mind that this video is for educational purposes only. Pay, rates, and availability may vary based on skills, experience, and company policies. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.